Let's go, everyone. Today we are unboxing a Abbott BinaxNOW COVID test kit. So this is pretty cool. I've done a few of these tests, with COVID whenever I feel a little off or was in contact with a lot of people. Nice to do a test every once in a while for some peace of mind. So this is the packaging. Fast results in 15 minutes. Simple nasal swab test by Abbott. Show you the rest of the packaging. All right, let's get to it. So this channel is definitely a lot of random unboxings of products that I personally always use, so that's why I'm making these videos when I unbox them. So please like and subscribe for more random unboxing videos. Pull out the contents. So these are the actual test cards. Not going to open this since I'll open it when I really do a test. This is a 2-pack for 2 tests. Here are 2 sterile foam tipped applicators. So these are what the nasal swabs look like for both the tests. These are like a reagent droplets that you do during the test. So you twist off the top, drop some of the reagent into the test cards, and put the tip into that. So again, I don't want to do the test on camera, but just wanted to do the unboxing and show you all what comes in this kit. So this is a fact sheet that comes with the kit. So this is the instructions in Spanish. So I'll flip through the instructions in English. So it comes with both English and Spanish instructions. And this side shows the instructions. So let me lay that there for you all to read if you're interested. All right, everyone. So yeah, there you have it. Random unboxing of a COVID test kit that I've personally used. And yeah, I like this one too. It's a quick 15 minutes and that's it. Great. Thanks, everyone. Hope you're all having a great day. Talk to you all in the next video. Bye.